Righto, episode 4 time. It's going to be a busy one this week. We've got an exhaust system, going to get some wheels on, and a lot more. Righto, if you upgrade to Wilwood brakes, you will have to upgrade your wheels. Now, Wilwood don't offer the early pattern, so we have to go to Ford, Commodore, or the HQ Chev pattern. Now, we're going to go to the HQ Chev pattern to keep the factory looking car. So, upgrade the wheel studs, they're a lot larger, they're 1/2 inch UNF, so we're a lot stronger for the more powerful vehicle. Now, what I'm going to do is go and find myself a set of second-hand rims, but you can also purchase them new. Alright, so here's our 14 HQ pattern. And what we're going to do is have a quick trial fit, and I'll show you how to make it look factory. Right, so here we are with the factory wheel. Easy way. Gentle flick with the flat blade screwdriver. Right, they pop off really easy, so we'll put the trim on, not so easy to get back on. Sometimes you get lucky. Same with the hubcap, give it a tap on. Now we are only doing a test fit, so now you've seen how it looks pretty close to factory. We'll take the rim off, replace the tyre, sandblast and give them a coat of paint. Now just be mindful, the HQ rim will bring your track width slightly out, which is better. Wider track width, better stability. Right, in previous episodes we've mentioned about upgrading brakes, upgrading the engine for more power. Now we need to upgrade the body. So we recommend run a rod shop chassis kit, consult with your engineer, but we highly recommend it. Alright, so the tail shaft's turned up. The guys at A1 Tail Shafts down in Geelong. The guys we use for ours, but you use whoever you would prefer. Right, so the awesome tail shaft, throw it in, we'll see how it fits. Right, perfect. So bang the U-bolts on. Now we can move on to making our exhaust system. As you can see, I've got the mufflers, catalytic converters, some bend, some pipe. We're ready to build an exhaust. Right, so the exhaust system's completed. Awesome job from Grippo. Now we've bolted it all back into the car. There is one little thing. If we get to the rear here, we'll see the trusty old zip tie holding into its correct location. Now, we did order the hangers a week or so ago. Things don't go to plan sometimes. It's obviously a little bit of an issue with freight or something else, but that's fine. We'll show you in up and coming episodes how to fit the hangers and where to put them. Righto, we've got the HQ pattern wheels back, rapid powder coating, they've done an awesome job in the white. Castlemaine car parts, Matty and the boys, do all the burnout cars, so thanks again for another set of tyres. That'll be a wrap for this episode. I'm going to put these on the car, get this thing rolling. Stay tuned, follow Team Rod Shop on YouTube, and we'll have a lot more to come.